Boom. Yo, big up all my viewers and subscribers in the man. You see me? Alright, this loyalty test part 2. You see me? Full movie. Right, just say stop. But watch out now. You have a new track release. I don't know some artists, man. A big artist, you know. Yeah, man. They want to name Taxx. Weh Yuh Ago Do. You see me? I'm produced by Sato Record and Kevalen. You understand? It's a big thing. So, yo, as I done watch the movie, you just check out the track in the description. I leave a link at the end of the video too. Because I want some feedback on the song, you know. Because I feel say I want bad song. So, yo, just do the right thing and leave some comment on the song and share up the song if you like it and them things. You understand? Yeah, man. Big up. Loyalty test. Yes.
I'm chopping, baby.
No, so I'm going to chop the road down forward.
Alright.
Alright, baby.
Alright, let's stay along, you know. Alright. Butterflies. I hope nobody stay along down the road, you know. You know, so we have to see him. I'll let the troops there. I hope you not troops nobody else, so. My choppy baby.
On touch road and now go look for Falan. Taxx him have a heart him. But him come and knock down the place last night for me let him in. No son. Me no business which party in sleep. If I'm people them place or Brittany place. I don't give one rat squat. Right now my body look too good so me I touch the road. Go check Falan because me want piece of chop lad. She come and hype up about her man and the man they look loyal for true, you know. Me go have a hard time with him. But me still have to try my luck. I must spend money for Falan, you know. If you go do like say a Falan, me go check and see if chop lad did it. Watch out! Where are you after Taxx? Excuse me.
Oh, yeah, go.
Where me no me I go? Me and my own woman.
Just make a charge. I want to charge and make it, please.
Taxx, what make you do it?
You don't know, Yannick. I don't never take over.
The devil take over. Excuse me. Me I go up on the road.
Yannick, please, Yannick, just make one more chance.
One more chance to what?
Just come over with that, no?
Talk about what? Talk about what, Taxx? Tell me. You carry a woman come in your house, eh? The same bed where me you sleep and you carry... Me no know nothing with you, know.
Yannick, temptation, Yannick. Temptation.
How you da feel if you see me carry a man in there? How you da feel if you can't catch me, Taxx? Tell me. You talk about the devil this and the devil that and temptation. How you would have feel if I did me? Eh?
Just look past it. I'm begging. Just look past it, please.
Me love you, but me love myself more, yeah?
Yannick.
Don't follow back on me. And don't wait up for me neither.
Can't work at all. Can't work. Oh man. Oh dear, no. We must cancel it. Oh. Some boy dollars, you know. Monday, I don't know what for them them kids. Can't believe me get catch up to bombard. I'm gonna check it. Check it. See them speed. See them speed and check it. I'm gonna brush my teeth and forward back here. I'm gonna check you. $100 right now. What's up?
Thirsty. No fruit tree that around the place.
Hey Brittany. What you doing now, so?
One of my friends sent me a account check and I tell him to sit down now while I go on.
So I can't sit down beside you?
Yeah man, I can't sit down.
I'm glad to see you though.
Glad to see me.
Yes?
Right now, I don't want to involve in with you and your woman because I don't want me and no girl to fight over no man. And the first time I did see you, maybe I lose a screw and I did talk to you, but I'm not really interested in you. So right now, I just go on where I go right now.
Hey, look here, man. Look here. So me I say, man, sit down back, man.
Look out for me,
Why you
hand.
do something for me? I go pay you.
You feel like I walk around and take things from people? You like say I suffer? Look for me good.
What you say,
Right.
man? Me see you 2 grand fall and give you.
Which two grand you talk about?
You 2 grand and give you. Me see it.
That pass on gonna make that stay behind.
Look here, man. You want to run back a test pan fall, I go pay you.
So much money I have?
So much money you want?
10 grand.
10 grand. Yeah, man, me can work with that, man.
And I collect half it before I do my work. Yeah.
Okay, I'll get it. Look here now. If Falando to me with Uno, I never expect she to do that. You understand? She cross the line.
I say go life. Life is the name.
So look here now, you are going to help me when I test pan her.
Alright, me I go help you. Give me half of your money for now.
See 5 grand, yeah? I want to finish and get the next 5 grand.
Thank you.
Alright. So look here now, I want to do something about me. I have no idea yet. You don't know if you have none.
Me tell you, we just think I go link one of my friend him. Come back right as us, make turn right as and wait. And I come back and go about my business. I go link one of my friend them and come back so serious so don't move, so come back.
Don't take long, you know.
So me not take long.
How was she this so long? Good man, how she got it, you know? Yeah, but I need this so long.
Chaplad, what going?
Me there, man.
They look for me so far.
But look, you look nice though.
I don't know what you do. I wonder if we just take your money and go on. Or if we just do what he say and collect the other 5,000. Because he's so willing to, you know. You know what I just? I'm just doing it for you.
So if I land there,
You up here, I don't know if you can buy now.
she up here, I don't know if she gone. You don't know your woman there.
You're doing us a good while now. So probably she gone, who fi tell?
So you just sit down and so by yourself?
Wow, Mr. Go and take some cold breeze, you know.
Okay, make up your yard.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
Oi.
I wonder if we could take a picture of this. I believe so. Britney, she come, we can't deal with them. I feel I have evidence, watch me.
Think you made her come back?
Me tell her me I go up best and come back, so I must come back.
You know what I mean? Wait. Think I run around half of the money too.
Me not run off for the money, man. Me not do them things there.
Oh, better. Business we say now.
Well, you know, so we can't go stay right here, so because such and such.
No, so me I think I try my luck with this one. Every minute, Falana. I'm sure. I know Britney will get a chance before me.
Where you want to go?
Somewhere else, because we can't stay here and talk about what we're going to do. You know you think it already.
So you do that for?
So we can't touch you.
I don't say no, but you touch me. So you have phone?
Yeah, I have my phone, but I don't have me now.
Alright. Put your number in this here.
Okay.
See your name too now?
I'm going to know my name.
Alright. I'm going to call you and tell you we can meet up.
Alright, so later.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Remember see me call you, you know?
Yeah.
Alright.
I could try and blackmail you, know what you say.
Dallas. Yeah.
Give me a second. Oh, I'm going to Taxx.
Well, there, youth.
What am I know?
Why, somebody tell why I'm not know start from, brother. No start from. Right now, I think me and Yannick have broke up in a youth.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the one that happened between me and her, because you know, me really love her still, you understand?
Mm-hmm.
But something happened, brother, you know, I want chang like a filly. Show me her vibes and something go for good on, but you know what Yannick forward from in another instant, the brother, and she gone about her business, gonna work, and then she forward back in her yard.
You sound confused, man. Go on again.
You tell her, brother, it's like, catch me, brother.
Come in here.
Catch me out right now.
I'm not too really understand, but you show up. I know you do, man. Come here. So walk me over here, so I do. You understand me?
I want to walk. Catch me, brother. Yeah.
Oh, boy.
No, brother,
Yes, I
man.
go on now. Jai you up. What may I say is,
When they go link Yannick, I'm on the beach and me forward half back because she get some work call, you understand? But one look a feeling where she a whole heap of interest in me. And normally, one woman not showing so much interest in me, brother, and plus, everything curve up and look. You know? And I say, bombard. I can't make this opportunity and miss me. And so I said to myself, you know, brother, I know say me carry about man go say, bam, I'm ready for lick it down, wicked. And I look so bam. I want Lord nice me to win the Taxx. But Yannick that my youth, Yannick was say she gone and work, brother. Yannick reach a yard ASAP. So I wonder if I set up her what, but boy, I have to know if it's a car, it never look like she did that try nothing, you understand?
yeah.
So right, she wouldn't do that. Me tell her my woman, nah, no, that brother. I just, everything just fall in her place like I want puzzle. Right now it a puzzle me too hard. So me just want to see if me can get back with her on the right path.
Alright, I'm curious about her now. Why you come to me?
Brother, I know you're the man with wisdom, you know, brother.
Yeah. If you take a call, I know, but so I go on pan it. Alright, talk to me.
As me I say, I know you're the man of wisdom, you understand?
Yeah.
See how plant the fruit, them and the banana tree, them and something and them and grow. Me say, you're a wise man, you understand? And everybody can make this growing, brother. So me that want a relationship grow back.
Okay. I want to grow back. You try the I'm to apology. Try that.
Why that never good at work?
Try
Should
and
me try that?
apologize.
And dead me go for dead man and kill me.
Try
Me try that.
apologize,
Me
try
that
apologize.
not work.
Well, you know what I say now. You see, sometimes them situation they happen. And you try apologize and it not work. You have to really like give her space and time. Space and time, man. So you see if you can just really like, I don't want to say give her a day, but try to. Give her a day or two, because if you're trying if more you go to her more she try to kill her, what you going to do? Yeah man, make it so, because the end of the day done gone bad. So just
But watch
kind
you
of...
now, space and time when I go sleep. I must have one room we live in, you know. Space and time I'm going to sleep out the door.
Why you know, sir? That me just don't tell you, say, boy. You have a cube, you have a bathroom, you have to go find a way to make it work, man. Alright, tell her what. Go in, wash up your plate them, spread up your bed, clean out your room. So if you have candle, light a little candle, you understand what I mean? If you have scented candle, light a candle. Try the method there first. You see, if that don't work out, come back to me. Because I really want to get back on this and really get this out of the way. Right, that's what I have to see. Try that, man. First attempt. Make me know that going on, man.
Alright, brother. Thanks, yeah?
Alright then.
Yeah, man. Right, tower.
I only can get myself in a sunset more.
Fallon, baby, what gone?
Me there, Yannick, can I have ball up my name so like last time?
No, I saw for me style still. You look good though.
You look nice, sir.
Thanks. So, what going for your man, you know, Fallon?
Where is the come ask bum man?
Me can't bother with you, you know. Me get some miserable Fallon.
Me not miserable, you know I'm skeptic and stay.
Look here. Remember say me couldn't call you with you, you know, if you check up pound after, you know?
Oh, that you talk about?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jesus, you know if you go on some
He alright. You say I'm gone down the road, soon come back, me tell him for those stay long.
Okay.
But a tube for me, you see?
Fallon, you look like something wrong this morning. I want me there.
But you know, so never come at me like that. You know, so I'm skeptic.
Fallon, I know nothing.
Alright.
Remember say me couldn't call
alright.
you.
You know, see the inches.
Yeah, me see. I feel money do it or money when me give you. Yes, what? Get your tongue now, you can't talk. I know say money when me get use there here.
Yannick, and I even use them here, even if that the money they done already. You know the money I want, you know the money?
Where me get it from?
You know the money I want to lose?
You know say you're not good friend.
I'm a nails say I want to do right now.
So Fallon, make a man do your nails them.
Man can't do my nails.
Oh, so what
My
you
money
want?
have to come enough for do my nails.
Me have to do our next bet. For me lose again. That's what you try to say.
Bet again then,
It not
Yannick.
go work.
Bet.
Better you did use part of the money and put something in the
But you
shop.
have to do my ear. You just a worry about your shop,
Me
so.
have to worry about me.
Bet again, man.
You never can come here and get a cup of water.
We not on a cup. Me not on a cup.
You don't have nothing for land.
That is a sanitary cup. You're lucky.
It's bad, man. You hold on. It is very, very bad. But guess what? Me I can't go up on the road. Me
Later,
take you back
Yanni.
later, yeah?
You alright?
Alright. Boss, we clean up the place, huh? This is nice and thing. Sweet thing, huh? Yeah? Yeah, I'm on the buy a broom now. If it clean, I clean.
So, Mr. Chaplad,
Mom,
me there, no? So, you don't move from here, so?
you say I go on easy same way. Nah,
You
man.
me up for land.
That don't really matter me.
And me come back, come see you by yourself.
Of course, me alone. No, me alone, I see.
Nobody else needs to
Nobody else.
Anyways, may you do something for me?
So why you rub me down so?
Me not rub you down, don't do that. Unless you want me rub you down. Which one?
No, not do that. Follow. Yeah.
Look here, may you do something for me?
What?
I want some of that good there.
Good what?
You mean good what? I want some of your body.
No. Fallen body this.
Fallen body.
Yes, you can't get none of this body here.
Fallen good.
Of course. What's the problem?
Look here, you see any of me not get it, and at the last time I talk, say I want some of it. Fallen alone can't get that.
All of this have to Fallen learn that.
Fallen alone can't angry this.
Why?
I mean why?
You're supposed to sexy and
And so,
yeah.
I go ask you one question. I ask you already and you lied to me. Why you went to down here so?
Me alone.
Where Brittany there? You not see Brittany from morning?
Listen, only Brittany.
Oh, you don't know who named Brittany? Anyways, look here, I have something on my phone. You see, any you not agree? If you give me some of that, I go show this to Falan. Who them there?
So what you da watch me?
No worries about that. Is either you give me some of that or me show Falan this. Either or either. Your choice.
So you go show Fallen that for now.
What do you mean? So I'm a friend. So I have to show her this unless you give me some of your good. Falan boast about you too much, but she eat lobster and shrimp and then something there. Hennessy, she drink and tequila. Me want some of them.
I want to get determined, you know.
Yeah, me supposed to be.
Alright then, take my number. Come on, say determined.
Come.
Yes, 76. 1000. 20. 56.
Okay. Alright, baby, I'll call you.
No baby me.
You're lucky. Later, baby.
How is making myself in? And that chair I'm going to twist up. God.
Taxx him better not in the house, you know. Watch out, wash up plate. You lucky. Yeah, go and left the door open.
Hey, what's up, babe?
What you call babes? What you still do here?
You know, you see place, I play something nice and
And
things.
so what? Me did ask you if you clean up in here? Me tell you say me I look maid? Excuse me. Can me come think say you're gone, then now you're still in here, but you tidy up.
One to go.
Since when you start tidy up place, by the way?
Yeah,
No,
me
tell me.
just say me gonna help you out, make it your workload easy for you and things.
No sorry for me. You never used to sorry for me. All of a sudden now you tidy your place and wash up plate. You never used to do that something there.
Babe, just cool now, babe.
Taxx, don't come beside me. My head hot right now.
Just cool now, babe. Almost.
You deaf? Me not in a nothing with you. Stop ease up on me, man. Right now, me the hat me now. Me I come think so you're gone, you're still in here.
Come for go. I know for go, babes.
Go on to your people them or go on back a Britney yard.
I must have not to know where Britney live.
That not nothing to do with me. You should have know that before you bring her come in here.
First me and meet her, I don't know her. As me I say, I don't know her, but I take over me. Probably a she put one spell for me too, you know, because you know when you look up powder or something there.
No come blame nothing on her. You have a mind of your own. If you feel say you sweeping out this house and washing up plates for the first time in your life, I go just make me run and come back in your arms and make a sad mistake.
Yeah, just me I beg you, just cool now, babes. Yeah, just cool. I have a whole heap of things to be into. Just cool, me I beg you.
So you never know that until now?
I'm just like, I don't know what. I'm probably a harm one too, you understand?
Look here. Me sure no say, if you did come catch me with man, you'd have run me long time, walk out, left me or whatever. So why me as a woman now if you sit down in this video? Why you not going to your people them yard?
Can't go come people in my yard. You see me all? A big man, you know, you go back to your people yard, you not gonna look good for me, babe. We just work, yeah. I make bygones be bygones.
But that have to do with me. Me not want you in here.
You just gonna make 5 years in jail like that?
If me, so wait then now, and me alone, you make me look like the bad person you talk about if me have to make 5
you know,
years.
man already, and man, I just, as me I tell you, say, I just, the devil works.
The devil works. So the devil couldn't tell if you carry elsewhere. You have to carry come here so when me you sleep. That girl ever cook for you? She ever wash your clothes then? Even the sheet on the bed. She know how it by? You carry a woman come in the house and lie down on bed. Look here. We think about it. And it's going to take a while. And while me I think about it, I not going to want you in here.
So me I go sleep tonight.
Me no business. Not even on the veranda, I not want you back in. I have your number. I call you when I'm ready. If I'm ready to start again. I can't deal with this. Taxx, go on now. Go on, man. Go on. Hurry up. See your bag here with your 2 suits of clothes them. Hold this. Anyway, let's stay. Aye. And my money buy this. Go on now your slippers.
Really, babes? Oh, me I go wear?
Your slippers.
Let me buy shoes for.
I don't care. My money buy it, make it stay here. Anywhere they go on in your slippers and you have your 2 clothes them in your bag.
I can't manage it. I don't know what that's for.
You should have known say all of this I got tumble down on you if you try cheat for me.
So what you
shoulda-
gonna do with the shoes? What you gonna do with the shoes?
Make it stay. Suppose me a one man will come.
Next man, come in here.
You hear what me say? You now go away with it. One.
Yeah, move.
If you can do, me can do too.
Alright.
2 can play the game. Hurry up and go on and close my door behind you.
Yes.
Britney, you know.
Hello?
Oh, go on.
Yeah.
Where you there?
Yeah.
You up a face you can come up with? Oh, one shop. Right across road.
Alright.
Alright, maybe I'll wait for you.
Yeah.
Alright, do it quick, you know.
Alright.
Go and wait for an hour.
So ready for the business?
Let me call you.
Can you go and sit down then now?
So what go on?
Then.
Everything good? You seen another planet?
What they are really? No man, me not nothing man. You know nothing man.
Yeah man, we have a plan man.
So what that?
Alright, the plan is you got pretend. You got we. I got pretend like so with it. I understand.
Okay.
So
how that all work?
so we go start lift yard regular. You see it? Yes, so she have time when she go do her hair and she have time to go supermarket. So you got turn up on one spot where she can pass and sew it together. I understand.
Yeah man, that would have work.
If I make it look real, you know.
Yeah.
Today when?
Today is Sunday.
Just Sunday, the peas not pay hard, you know. And she go buy peas. Because she love her rice and peas on Sunday. So we can go on the road. And when she a pass, go a shop, she can see we.
Yeah, that sound good.
So you ready?
Yeah.
Come in.
Alright.
Yo, Dallas! Yo! Boy, you don't look good at all. Look no workout, brother. I tell you right now, come right in a deep hot water, you. Look no work,
Give me a favor.
brother.
Hold on, boys. Just one of the things I'm not trying to straighten this.
Hold it. Yeah, hold it, man.
Where's that take place now?
Well, brother, right now, I don't know what to do again, brother, but that no work, brother.
Wash the plate.
Up on the floor, I see it again.
Like you can go.
We never have a candle, brother. We never have a candle.
You never have no candle.
No, brother.
What got up on now? Up on the road, more around going on. Now come back. Oh, here. Candle. This is a candle and a scented candle, you know. One little trick, you always roll. Spray a little degree.
Yeah.
On the stem. No, man, it work, man. Go here, I can't get one like, I have to go broke it. I don't want such a big, you know what I mean? Like this. No worry. Just trust me. Like that. So, well, I'm putting a little bit more upon it. Work it. You understand what I mean?
So you said
Go
this
here.
is gonna work.
Like, just trust me, man. Chang, do.
Alright,
Go on, man. Go on, man. Go and make that happen, man. You understand? Oh, hold on. Come here. Tomorrow, Valentine.
Valentine.
Or yesterday, Valentine. Anyways, that doesn't even matter. Get some chocolate. You have money? You have money? You have money?
No.
But get some chocolate. Get some chocolate, you see? Get some chocolate. Remember this day, like that first, Make that just do your thing and tell me how that goes in.
Alright, thanks again.
I go up on the road, yes man. I go up on the road.
Boss, can I get some overtime money and still buy chocolate? I don't know right now. Serve!
Come in.
Come on, forward there. Hey, same one of them ginger beer there and one of them chocolate chip, yeah, you know? Yeah, man. Alright. I'll come and get back my change. Yeah.
Non change.
What you say?
Non change.
You serious?
Yes, we see you.
Oh, take them back here, man.
Me not take them back, no refund. If the money come away, so me not give refund.
You can't just give me a refund.
No. The money come away, so you no refund.
Alright. Where you go? Yeah, you know me I gotta do. I pick some flowers instead of the chocolate. You can't stay without the money there, man. Yeah.
Cook some rice and peas, you know. But me not know peas. Me a look rice in there. Me have to go down a shop, you know, around the road, down a way down in the sun at ya. And me look up this place, you know, yeah. Me have to cook rice and peas to my lover. Make sure you say love me back same way how me love him. Or take back all my love too.
So look here now. Yes, I rice pot, you know. After party, so go buy peas.
So, what you want to do? Can hug up? What?
No. Not I go too far, you know. Remember in a relationship. It's better you go on like, yeah, look me.
Alright, that sounds better.
So, don't worry about it. Where did you get so much boy from?
How when we are climb on the fence and come?
So we not go on the fence, you have to be careful. What you do? No man have to pick
You
off.
me, you know.
I want to go on here, so. Chappy, I want to go on here, so. You pick off board off your girl best part right there, so.
I girl me boy missy pan her, me pick off the fella.
Where you not going to forget board pan her? You never know some me a pass you, so though.
We didn't do
So me a walk go shop, you know. So me a go buy peas, cook rice and peas for you. So you did on your in a bush with girl.
she see me and Anna look me.
In a bush, you saw.
I him see me and I look me.
Nobody know who I look who. Right now,
I pass and see me look me.
No fella, na she.
Are you see me and I look me? Are you
And
see
so
me
me no
and
want
I
to look
look
no
me?
way. Me no want to look no way. Me just talk to him.
Liar. Are you see me and I look me? I pass and you talk me and I brush off borrow off and me I talk about you want.
Don't tap tail line.
I love this me I do for you, na Chappy. Like they say this don't you say do. And me say me I go do something for you because me love you so much. Who is she? Who is you if you can't do this to me in a bush round here, so? You not answer me. All you chop lad. You see all you? Me not say nothing. See, me not cook no peas.
What you mean say you not cook? Why?
No
Why?
peas. A
Why?
breeze you go eat.
Why you not cook?
A breeze you go eat.
Hold on.
You hurt me hard, chop like
Come
me
here.
not cook no peas.
Hold on. Come, stop.
Don't run behind me. So you go on and do no wrong.
Hold on. Come here.
No,
That's a step, man.
No, I'm not anymore.
Come here. That's a step, man.
What I mean? Mark one circle me. Me serious and wait on him. Try not take long though.
Hold on.
No, talking to the chop like.
You can man. Just give me money, and you not go up again.
Me tell you where you
I
eat
can't
already.
do without my rice and peas for Sunday.
Me tell you where you eat
Just give
already.
me money, man. I go buy peas.
And now you want to come here.
rice and peas for Sunday. Give me money for me. Go buy peas and come back. And you not go up again.
When I go happen again, me,
Give me money. Go buy peas.
me,
Come to your baby. Let me make it up for you. Make it up to you tonight. What you want? You want a massage?
I know you want to come make up with me for me. You want me to go cook your rice and peas,
Give me money. Go buy
choppy.
peas now. Come back.
Alright.
Give me
But the
money
peas
now.
will make up so easy now, you know.
Just give me money. Go buy peas and come back quick.
Nobody stay long. I will head straight on the road.
Just put on the back.
Not even look back, just want to head straight and go on. No, sure.
You must say so. Me take so long, Joe.
Yeah.
I talk to her, man. So that look.
Well, that look good enough, but kinda too much.
Too much.
Yeah.
For real, man.
Cause me no want me and her nothing, you know, cause you know she stay and something.
You know, say that me that say. You want me up to so big her. Cause be a cry, she a cry.
Come like I want prank. Yeah.
So yeah, see, I'm gonna find one next week then.
Yeah. Go think of a next.
Yeah. You have one friend with him, Yannick.
Okay.
You see after you left me, and see you soon come back. She come there and talk, oh, she see me and you did it. And talk, oh, so she want somebody good.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
then things they are going.
What you mean? Tell me, I rub down my body, me tell him, so you don't do anything there. So I'm gonna use her. Go up on one date, so you could go up and go talk to her, make she meet me at location and see me and Yannick.
Yeah, that sound good. Because Yannick and Fallon a friend. And hear what you say, Yannick can look you right.
Yes.
So, we could have used Yannick and run back a test by Fallon. Because here what? If Fallon find out say him friend, I want a fake friend, I know say you don't have to do nothing more upon it. Just give me money, make me go about my business.
Alright then. I'm gonna set up a date and give you a call.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So, me all good on so.
Yeah, man. The way they make out to you know.
Alright, come on.
Yannick. She'll pay. Alright. This must work. Believe in it. You're right, Asante. She come.
Oh gosh, I must have...
Surprise!
What is?
Babes, I have Valentine's Day surprise, you know?
Valentine's Day gone long time. What is? What can go in our house do a day now?
Babes.
Man, I hope you there, me in now.
No, babes. You mean I never do that, babes.
Where you have can go in here to do talk?
Babes, it's just special for you, you alone, you know? It's aroma. Yeah, man, say place look nice. Petals, all I'm telling you.
Too much
Babes.
bush.
Petal, baby. Petal.
Me not trust you, you know. Where you want to do? Try get back with me.
Obviously, babes.
Oh, so you go other people, other woman
No,
and man.
none of that. I would never do that to you, babe. I love you from your heart. I would never do that to you. But that's, you know.
Me never tell you say enough to come back here. Give me my key. You want to try get back with me now, so you got other people
No,
and then
you
tell us
keep
if
it,
you
babe.
can't sprinkle this and sprinkle that and like can go in here.
Babes.
Sweep
All
out
of this we
them.
do it for you, babes.
Sweep out them before me have to. Where broom there?
You do know. But you can't, babes. We just cuddle and talk, no, babes.
Sweep them out.
Before, babes.
No, and come out.
But you have
Sweep,
the broom.
well this. Sweep them out and come out. When you're done, give me back the broom. You take it and beat the backside. Cause I don't know where you're coming here for. Give me my key too, you know, me want my key. Valentine's Day gone a long time. And I know you choose the light can go. And put flowers for me. Look at you.
Babes. Babes, you really like this up.
You know, give me this.
If I give me now.
Forgive, oh, go on out there, so go on. Come.
Yeah, the school
Let me
again.
use the broom for you, you know, go on out. Me I got change me like that you can't come back in here. You come in here so we... Backside. Take a kangaroo with you. You got change me like the air saying now don't come back. Honda. She call Marvin now. Call him. Fall and look here on. Can't have them a nice money and they keep them to yourself. You're bright.
Hello?
Hey baby.
There, man. How this?
Hey Yanni, go on like you don't know, say me.
You know, me about to call you.
Can I make me link up?
Where?
Anyway, nice. Just get a drink or something.
Yeah, man, we can't do that.
Right now, you know. Me out fi left me yard.
Alright. You should call me before me call her. A good thing that.
Me say anyhow me come back here and tax the yard. Give so lip. Boy, son hot man. Papa cut my stone around this like them. It's a yard here.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bring me link and my friend and come back here.
You just a left out the yard so every time.
Don't feel, man. I think I'm going to leave it for you. And come back.
You
Soon
should
come,
have do this at work and me do it.
Soon come
Yeah,
back.
walk down the road. Right. I look at things I'm very versatile.
You can, man. Take this one and easy, man. Soon come back,
Alright, go on and come back.
yeah? Alright. Love you, yeah?
But just always allow you to say, alright, you soon come back. Alright, you soon come back. I will be right here. You know, easy, you know. Chaplain not easy. He just trying to make me look for him with two of them a big stone here, you know. See me have a bucky man again there again, you see. It's alright. You see how she have a next guest coming.
What call me? Hello. What one?
Okay, now. You hear me?
Yeah, me here.
Alright, me go link you in the town. So, me go text your location. You can go for Falan and no far. Yeah, man. Alright.
Son. I get out of patient now. Look how long I call Chaplad. Anyhow, I wait look morning now. Come, I go about my business now. Hello. I'm there on my back. Yeah. Alright, come.
Come on.
Me there now, where did they so long?
Around this, I'm everything around this. I'm look, me see, me car.
Anyways, I know one nice restaurant around a restaurant, you know. Can we link up around there?
Which part?
No worry yourself about that. We will tell you around there. You have money?
Yeah,
Make sure you have money, you know. Me take one anything.
Anything? Alright, me soon come.
Alright, babes.
Service.
Have all of your money, but you just spend for Falan. You spend money for me too.
Alright, me text Britney to somebody I chew that. By the time she get the text, probably by that she reach her in time. Come in now.
Falan. Me not come here for war or anything. I come here to tell you something.
Why you don't want to tell me something now,
Your man
Britney?
and your so-called friend down there, so me don't know
My
what them
so-called friend, which friend that?
Yannick.
You need to done that with my man. You never done that with my man too. Or you not done there?
I pass and me see two of them.
Come here, I want to tell me that now mash up my life.
Me not mash up a life. Me just a simple tell if you don't want to see it, your business. If you want to see
My
it, come
business,
on.
obviously, your business more than mine. Why bother you if you come tell me? Anyways, me go see what I go on. Even if me go down there, my man not do that. What me fi do you?
And like say you can't do me nothing. Girl, just come on.
Me go call look see when a man not do that. You are getting, you know. Alright. Me go see what I go on still pass and see how it is. You have to be in front because you think you know it. So see that dirty up my hand.
Alright, let's see how going on now.
There, you know.
You good?
Of course, me good.
Boy, you look nice though.
Supposed to look nice.
Motive in a full colors.
Only for you.
And for me.
Why me not tell no lie a long time.
Why
I
you
want
say-
piece of this, you know.
I say you in a run probe me down here.
And me for rub you down.
Me not say that in but can't happen here now. You know what things set already.
You going like a Falan alone, you want to rub you down.
Of course.
Look here. Me in this too, you know. And a Falan thing alone right now. Not even Britain thing.
And one thing with you know, like we are try hard in but I don't think it's gonna work to the extent that you're there.
Why not?
No, sir. I know for that miserable.
Fella not have to know nothing. You
Well,
can't keep him out.
Of course, I can't keep me mouth. I tell you. When I start move sideways, fella not gonna know.
You're a big man, you know. If you know if you govern your thing.
That's true still.
Anyways, you need to call Fallon and tell her so you're not come home tonight because you're going to book a hotel up the beach near you. So anything you need to tell Fallon, you need to tell her me I spend the night tonight.
Alright then. I call her and tell her I'm going to link on my family or country. Yeah. And so I'm now coming tonight.
Alright, do that. We might spend more than one night. So
More than one night?
Of course.
So you're moving from Fallon thing.
Look here, I want to live lavish like Fallon or maybe more.
The way you're moving.
Look here, if Mayor got in a thing, you have to treat me good. You know I'm show Fallon what in my phone.
Relax. Make you really want to show Fallon that now.
Look here, just send Fallon the text me with her up one. Cause I'm not tell no lie. The body I really, really want it. So do what I do.
One. I don't mess with him. And you say you see him, so you for the in front.
Set them out, good man. I saw somebody kiss. Come. Let me show you.
Hey, top lad. Alisa there, sir. Yannick, I say you come down.
Where you go?
Hey, let me go.
Where you go?
No, man. Where you want go?
Where you go?
No, Yannick. Yannick, who are experience.
Woman, everywhere they go they enjoy, man. Wait, hold on, Yannick.
I can't believe you. I say you come down. I say you come down and suffer and treat friend. Britney coming at this.
You see you Britney, you're not good somebody.
Britney coming at this. You see about the Britney, I see you. I mean, understand.
What me I do with chap lad? What me I do with him? No, what me I do with chap lad? Fallon,
Chap lad?
you see you? What me look on chap lad to you? What me I do with him?
Lie, you want
Yes,
kiss
you.
him and tell me say you want him. And we are take picture.
Yes, you know say you're hypocrite.
Hypocrite.
Yeah, alright.
What
me I
are you
go bust your
hypocrite?
seat. Fallon,
Hello.
Fallon, come look on that picture here.
Boy, you look a girl, man. Boy, you
What
look
me
a
I do
girl,
with chap
man.
lad? Fallon, come
Well,
look
me
on
know
that
you
picture
do
here.
with
What me I do with chap lad?
But I must kiss him right there, so do.
Hey, me know
Why
why
you hold me? Let me see.
Look here. Who want chap lad that?
Let's try him. Yannick, I see Britney. Yannick.
Oh, that Fallon.
And she look like so she look of somebody I want.
Okay.
No, man.
who do
Try
this
to one
to you?
tell me, man.
No, I want no.
That's one. You know what that's going to do?
Let me get this
What?
fella here.
Why don't we invite me? Leave me alone, make me prosper. Move.
It was a test.
Leave me about me
It
one
was
chap
a
lad.
test.
What kind of test?
It was a liar to test about Jesus
What kind of
Christ.
test that?
I want to see you. You see you.
Hello, more
What
faster,
happened?
man.
Tapping it.
More
Away.
faster.
Britney is hypocrite.
What is it? You're two girls fight over one man.
Babes, listen. Fallon thinks that me want her man. Me no want chap lad. Look on chap lad to you, babes. What me I do with chap lad?
Mama say you show me out, you know.
Me still love your man, but me couldn't stoop so low and go to chap lad. Me would never do that, babes. Honestly.
You sure?
Nah, do that, man. Me love you too much.
Yeah,
Me just
where,
forget
boy?
about everything.
Yeah, where,
Alright.
What this one says to me, alright?
Put me down, chop lad. Put me down. I cannot think that about loyalty test.
Look here, you see
Oh, no. Want my money?
which money?
What kind of loyalty test?
Girl, go on, because you have how much of a relationship about money.
Me busy for your relationship. Me want my money. Me get
What money if you want?
This is
You don't want no money, me take you to my nails.
Yeah,
Plus,
me take your nails.
who
Look
is
here.
you?
Right now, listen to
I
me.
say, sir, see
Listen,
one tried.
listen to me.
I see one.
You see your friend them?
Tell me.
I show you say.
Look here.
The same test you run for me, we can run it back for you.
Okay, now test me run by your chop lad.
You think me don't know see you set up Britney if you come look me?
No call me name. Me want my money.
And you pay him too.
Want me money for go about my business?
Bro, in the shop, me you're not talking in the shop. And me come round and hear you.
You didn't listen to me?
What you mean? You
I
give
hear
me
everything
the
you
2 grand.
Let's say 2 grand of money. 2 grand of money.
Me take the rest of my nails since you had talk out everything now. But she there tell me man for real. That
Yes.
never look fake. Here? I just
That's not real, man. I test me, I test her too.
test.
Real.
But that test they look
That's
too
not
real,
real.
chap lad.
That don't real.
I'm gonna forgive you again.
Come on, man. You go home.
Want me money, you know?
You not get the money, me take you do my nails. Me take you rest
No,
of
come
my
on now. Let me
nails.
see about she.
Chop lad, I'm gonna forgive you again now. We go home.
Come on, man. I'm going home.
Me no want to forgive you so much time. Every time me I forgive you. Lift me up back again and carry me there.
Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, say Taxx in the man. Watching the man. You enjoy the one, I know, man. Alright, so remember, you know, check out the chat down in the description. You understand? I'll link the right here, so. You see it? Yeah. I hit, man. Do the right thing. Share, like, subscribe. Blessings. Out.